Are you a Chase Bank customer looking to start investing but don't know where to begin? Or maybe you're already a Nutmeg investor and want to consolidate your finances. If either of those sounds like you, then you're in the right place, because today we're going to break down exactly how you can invest with Nutmeg through your Chase Bank account. The first thing to understand is the relationship between Chase and Nutmeg. Nutmeg, a leading digital wealth manager, was acquired by J.P. Morgan Chase. This means their services are now integrated, allowing you to manage your investments and your everyday banking all in one place, the Chase app. This is a huge convenience, giving you a holistic view of your financial life. So, how do you get started? It's surprisingly simple. First, log into your Chase app. At the bottom of the screen, you'll see a Save and Invest tab. Tap on that, and then look for the Investments section. From there, you'll see an option to take a look. If you're new to Nutmeg, you'll follow the on-screen prompts to set up an account. If you're an existing Nutmeg customer, you'll choose the option to link your accounts. You'll just need your Nutmeg login details handy. Once your accounts are linked, you can create and manage your investment pots directly within the Chase app. Nutmeg's process is designed to be straightforward. You'll answer some questions about your financial goals and your comfort level with risk, and their expert team will build and manage a portfolio for you. You can choose from various investment styles, including fully managed, socially responsible, or fixed allocation. You can start investing with as little as £100 for a lifetime or junior ISA, or £500 for a stocks and shares ISA or a general investment account. And once you've set up your investment pot, topping up is a breeze. You can pay into your Nutmeg account straight from your Chase Current or Saver account, all from within the same app. This makes it super easy to make regular contributions or top up your investments whenever you want. With that said, thanks for watching, and until next time.